souls. I'm gonna buy till I can't no more. I'm gonna buy these alts cause they're oversold. I'm gonna buy till I can't no more.
Welcome to the show. This is the KOL Bear Report. My name's Theo, and I'm joined today by Justin. How's it going today, Justin?
Hi, guys. I just think that my balls are tingling. I'm feeling a weird vibration in my crotch every 5 minutes. It could be because markets are pumping. ETH has no ceiling. There's all sorts of topics to talk about today, and we're streaming on a Tuesday. This is not programmed, but Theo is just stepping in because he's going to be busy on Sunday. So it's good to be back. I've been away for about a month, and I can't wait to share some of my thoughts on this pumpy bull market. I love it. Good to be with you, Theo.
You too. And nothing here is financial advice. We're not financial advisors, just some guys on the internet. Where have you been for the last month? You been away, traveling?
Yeah, sorry. I've just been a bit AWOL. I've been traveling around. I've been in Poland. As you can see, there's no real reason to go to another country at the moment. Everything's super here.
Yeah, it looks gorgeous. Okay, what do we got here? ZEC has gained momentum relative to XMR.
So there was a 51% hack. And Coke posted this funny video in the Discord. It's not that funny, it's kind of creepy. But they've gained control over... I'll just show you the news article from Coinpedia showing that all sorts of funny business in the Monero community that has been outperforming its main competitors, Zcash. But now, who knows? Things could change. Like, I know that when they do these hacks, they claim that it's to test the security of the system, but it could be like a real power play. They could be trying to change transactions in the past. Interesting stuff.
Have you ever held a Monero?
Yep.
Do you short it versus Ethereum or anything like that?
No, I just like to hold it spot. I like to...
You're a privacy coin enjoyer?
Hey, it's all about transactions, isn't it? It's all about censorship-resistant transactions in this age where the UK government are flagging anything over 2,000 quid, for example. This is one of the core principles why crypto was created, and you know, I just find transacting locally, you know, supporting a local economy, and I think that's good. You know, we will live through the mass deplatforming of people in like 2017, 2018. So we'll like to maybe retain our sovereignty. So what's up with you, Theo? What topic? Just degenning in the trenches. I like the look of some of these new meme coins. Won't you enlighten us?
Yeah, it's been a lot of trenching for me. I could take a look at my Bull X at the moment. Let's see where we're at. Okay, so we're way overexposed on MDudas coin. Down 1,000 Canadian on that. That's been fun.
Oh.
I've got this token called The Coin. That one, we're up 500 Canadian.
That's rough, yeah.
Housecoin, pretty flat on Housecoin. And then Tokabu. You mentioned Tokabu, the spirit of gambling. What did you think about this?
It's got a great brand. I think it's got a great chart as well.
But that's pretty much it, like in terms of degen plays. Other than that, I sold all my Bitcoin and I bought a bunch of Bodoggos this week. Okay. So that was really fun. They've been down only since then, so I'm just I'm sweating as Bitcoin has been hitting new all-time highs and the Bodoggos are not. It's been
I'm gonna buy all the headphones.
It's been exciting. Bodoggos currently sitting at 3.9 floor. It's a thin floor to 4. You'd only have to buy 7 Bodoggos to bring it back to a 4 soul floor. Unfortunately, I bought most of these Bodoggos between 4 and 5 souls, so I'm going to be waiting a little while before I can even hope to see a profit on that, but it's the way she goes.
There is one member of the Bodoggos who's big into NFTs, And a couple of weeks ago, he would go on the Daily Bone and he would start chilling his NFT bags. And since then, I think he's, yeah, I think it is interesting. Like
Moonbirds?
Bodoggos, I can't remember. I can't even remember which one it was. Clemente, who's into NFTs, or yeah, I think so.
I mean, I'm sure they all are, but yeah, Clemente bought, I think, 52 Trollios at 0.04, and then I think they went down to 0.02, so it's been a bit of a rough road for him. We can take a look at the Trollios and see how they're doing. Oh, and welcome Coke to the stage. Coke is here as well.
You hold Tesla, Theo?
Yeah, I still have some Tesla. Trollios, yeah, at 0.02, so they're down 50% since that big buy. We could take a look at Tesla.
Tesla have this ostentatious CEO who likes to promise robots and self-driving cars, and it's been very good to pump up the price because it's created this community of like believers in the future. But now they face a number of challenges: tariffs, competitors in China. There's pushback against self-driving cars. The robots may not actually be real. It might just be Grimes in a robot costume. And the deal that Tesla, the company, have signed for 2 years with Elon is to just stay put. Just don't make an announcement that you're leaving. But all Elon has to do is not say that he's leaving for 2 years. And then he can leave after that. Because there's no way that going forward they can match this huge number of promises. They're gonna sort of turn into hot air.
Yeah, like when I first started trading Tesla, they said it was a long-term hold, but they weren't joking. It's been pretty choppy. Right now, not looking too bad though. It's been it's above the 120 SMA on the daily, and the jewels heading into the bullish control zone there.
I see that.
So it's looking pretty good. I don't
How many
really
viewers have we got?
I didn't want to buy Tesla yesterday, but today it's down a bit, so it might be a better entry today. It was so high up yesterday.
Bearish. Welcome to the KOL Bear Report. If you're watching this, I'm Bearish Tesla, and I would love to know what your take on Tesla is, and what your take on big tech stocks are in the comments.
Shout out Nakudo on Twitch.
We're going to be getting into the memes in a second, guys. We're going to be getting into the DeFi. We're going to be getting into the treasury companies. We're going to be talking about this ETH-led rally in a second. So don't worry, this isn't going to be a show about Tesla.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we've got a huge show notes here. Do you want to just start at the top with Chainlink?
Chainlink launched their buyback program. I'll load up the link for everyone to see here. It's a news article. It is causing some people to think that this Oracle protocol is going to be bullish as we enter Altseason in the next few weeks. I'm skeptical. I think that sometimes these buyback programs are a means to pump the price so that whales will dump. If we look at the open interest, there is basically too much, and it's being pumped short term. And if we look at the utilization, I think it's just steadily going down. Don't get into Chainlink. Don't make that a part of your portfolio. Not financial advice. I'm not doing that, but do the opposite of what I do.
Yeah, I know Easy is long on Chainlink right now, actually, in his
Easy's
Easy
the
mode
fucking
chat.
man. Easy. If you listen to Easy, it sounds like he just wins and then rotates and wins and Easy's the fucking man.
Yeah,
he's got
a G.
half of what he's doing is just he's good at perps, and which is very rare for someone to be good at perps. Perps fucks people up. And then the other half of what he does is he finds theses and he just holds spot, and then it goes up 5x and then rotates. He's very impressive. He's like having Pio and Clemente like shout debate Easy is funny because Easy is like the more skilled crypto bro, and the other guys are cool, are skilled, but they're like wrong half the time as well. It's just funny.
He tends to use the 4-hour chart as well. I think you're a big 4-hour enjoyer too.
Yeah. What's next on that?
Synchronized drink breaks. Okay, Chainlink gonna do buybacks, but I really think it's being pumped on perps and these buyback schemes. Just pump the price for whales to dump. ENA is next with USDE. So is that the same, like when you go on, say, Arbitrum or something, and you're trying to trade USDC, and then there's like a USDC.E? Is that the same one, or is this a completely different stablecoin?
It's completely different because this one doesn't have the T. If it's USDE, like you said, it's the same thing. And that's interesting that you see it around because it is growing as a protocol. So I'm not surprised you see it.
No, I've more seen like USDC.E. That's what I've more seen. I don't think I've ever seen USDC.E.
Me neither. But
or USDE.
Indeed. And if we look at this screenshot here. Oh, I can't look at the screen.
I could bring it up on the screen here, actually. To a certain degree.
The crypto industry has had problems with synthetic stable coins in the past, haven't we? For example, Terra Luna.
Yeah. USDE, what is it? Usage is going up and up, but so is speculation. It's a formulaic stablecoin. What's that called again? Algorithmic stablecoin. Didn't we have issues with that in the past? Yeah. So this is reminding you of the Terra Luna situation?
Yeah, a little bit, but I don't understand. It's way over my head. So there's a short description here from, and it says something about the ENA. It says something about its yield bearing. Everybody likes that, and their delta hedging. So the strategy involves shorting derivatives like futures. Oh, so getting rid of the delta to maintain the peg. It sounds more advanced than something like Terra Luna, and if usage is going up and speculation is going up, then I find it very interesting. And this could be the stable coin play as we enter Altseason and this next massive leg of this bull market.
Okay, so it's called ENA USDE, and yeah, it's just a stable coin. So it seems like people are bullish on this, but what network is it on? Like, when would we ever need to use this, and why aren't we using USDC and USDT?
For censorship resistance, it's less prone to being shut down by the American government or something, maybe.
Okay, that is nice, yeah.
And to earn a yield, so earn a steady yield on your stables. And then the third thing is for speculation, so to hold the ENA token on the Ethereum mainnet to make gains.
Yeah, ENA chart's looking pretty nice here as well.
What's on your docket? So the reason why I like this at the bottom of my list of topics, I just think that Tokabu is the funniest shit I've ever seen. Like, it really tickles my funny bone, man.
Yeah, we could take a look at Tokabu.
The chart is awesome as well.
Okay, so let's take a look here.
What are you drinking?
That's kombucha. No matcha today.
Cool.
Yeah, and I've been fading this for a while too. Like I was seeing it in the early days. Let me turn on my my trades. Yeah, so I didn't actually end up getting into it until the Pico top here, as per usual. But yeah, I've been watching this thing for a while, and I never got into it.
It just made me realize I have to check my open trades, because so often I'll forget to do that while I'm on stream. Okay, good.
Oh, actually, look at this. I do have buy and sell orders right here at the very beginning. What did I do here on the very first pump? I bought 178. I sold. So I made $10 on this thing when it was down at a 6 mil market cap.
So you could have made the 1,000. Yeah.
Yeah, if I hadn't sold, that would have been like a 5x, 6x, up to 49 now. So that's what like a 10x.
So you sold your NFT, started to feel a bit of FOMO, and then you bought back in.
Well, I mean, yeah, I accidentally floored a bunch of NFTs, and then price was pumping, and so I sold all my Bitcoin and I bought a bunch of NFTs.
Oh my god!
And then now I'm trying to claw my Bitcoin back from the clutches of the market makers.
I've entered the Zora short right as it becomes the most pumpy token of all time.
Yeah.
That's,
Can you show us that?
no, I can't.
No, you can't. Well, I could pull up Hyperliquid, potentially. We can simulate it. So you're shorting Zora.
I'm looking at alts performances relative to other alts as
Yeah,
well, the original
relative-
thesis was because Bitcoin dominance would just go up and up and up. But now it's more of like an ETH and Bitcoin going up.
It's hinting at altcoin season now.
Yeah, it's not really time to do these relative valuation things, especially
Oh, really?
right now. But I'll look at alts performances relative to others to gain a insight into whether it's a weak alt or a strong alt,
Yeah.
and then I'll hedge my short fully with equal amounts of Solana, BTC, and Ethereum. And I'm still into that. I just think the timing to really talk about that is not right now. It doesn't look all season me.
Have you been messing with Zora?
No, I haven't. Have you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Show us. Show us the pages where it shows the creators that are trending, the posts that are trending.
Well, we'll take a look. I'm not an expert on it, but I wanted to look for Antoine Algian, this dude. He's a Bodoggo.
Cool.
I don't think I'm a
I
top
like this
holder.
photo.
Let me see if I can buy a little bit of his creator token. We'll buy $1. Not financial advice.
This is on Arbitrum. This is on Base. What a stupid question. Sorry.
Yeah, it's on base. He's a content creator in Bodoggos. He makes like
Cool.
this type of stuff where he photoshops their faces.
And it always trends. Like it always gets retweeted as well.
Yeah,
That's
he
a
does a
good
lot
one
of
to
like
buy.
he does a lot of AI stuff too, like AI videos and AI photos.
Yeah, he'll put them on the Aura boat guy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, he's goated. I was talking to him recently. He's a good guy.
There's
But
Alpha
if we
here,
go
right?
to
What's the market cap? No, why did you leave him so quick? What's his market cap?
21K market cap.
Oh, hello.
Ray is the second holder. I'm number 7. There's only 8 holders right now.
It's good that he's bullish on himself. Believe in yourself, guys. Buy your
Yeah.
own creator coin.
Launch coin coded. Buy, sell, yeah. I was buying
And you-
$4 down here.
So how do you get it to have your name? Oh, of course, when you sign up.
Yeah, it's just like any social media profile. So my market cap is $2,000.
That's it, man. You got 58 followers. That's sick.
Somebody's been buying and selling my token here. Slumdog. That's interesting.
That's so cool.
People have been buying my creator token. That's so weird. Somebody bought
Hell
hundreds of
yeah.
dollars of it.
That's so good.
That's nuts.
I'm gonna full port your coin back.
This has a market cap of 1.7K. What is this? Who owns this? I don't even own this NFT anymore.
This shows fascinating. Okay,
Holders.
so
There's 2 holders. Oh, it's the market. Market holds it. Okay. So nobody holds it. Zora.
the CEO is good at pumping the protocol. The CEO posts good, interesting content about his platform. The co-founder, and not the CEO.
Like,
the
is it
co-founder.
Jesse? Jesse from Base? Jesse Pollock?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, don't know. Not sure.
Let's talk about Hyperliquid for a second. So, like the other day, Hyperliquid went down. Do you remember that? And I got a bit scared, and I sold all my Hyperliquid stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Or should we not be scared? Is it a stable platform?
Uh, it, that was a couple weeks ago, and then it went
Yeah.
down the day after.
Yeah, it went down
Hyperliquid's
briefly
fine.
and came back up, and I got spooked.
Yeah, the whole market's been spooked. It stopped pumping. It's like not even above 50. We're all hopeful about Hyperliquid, except for Coke, and we all hope it goes above 200.
Because yeah, another option is you can just play Hyperliquid on Drift. Like you can actually just buy it on Drift, right? So you don't actually have to use Hyperliquid. You could trade it on here.
That's not so
Hype.
fun. Oh, it's having a good 4 hour.
So on the
People
floor, yeah,
buying into this dip, showing epic strength. If they're buying into that dip, it's amazing.
that does look nice. Yeah. Okay, so how easy is it for me to just buy here using Solana?
Why does it look so similar to? Is this on chain or off chain?
This is on chain, so it's
Holy shit!
it's on Solana.
Oh, cool.
So I could do 3x leverage.
Well, buy
13
into
hype.
strength. Eh? Why not buy into what? Limit order. 44.
Okay, teach me how to do a limit order then. Okay, so go limit
Go others.
others.
Market limit others.
Oh, okay.
Go scale.
Scale.
Go ascending.
Sending.
Ascending. But we are
Ascending.
ascending.
Okay.
So they go start price. Let's start at 44.42.
44.42.
Then open the calculator. Go 44.42 times 0.996.
44.42 times 9.6.
Times 0.996.
996. Okay, so 4.
Well, you don't want to market buy like I
24.
said. What's that?
44.24.
Excellent, excellent. It's got like a symmetry to it.
Okay.
That's perfect. Pick your leverage. Order count. Let's do 11 orders.
I think 5 is the max here. Oh,
No,
can I
just
do
type
11?
11.
No, is it? Is it
Yeah.
happy? Okay. Hit buy
And
long.
Look, yeah. I think you're ready to hit buy.
I don't know if I'm gonna have enough Solana for this.
Should we check it again? Click cancel. So we got a that's quite a lot of hype. So that's the right leverage, is it? Okay. 11 and then ascending or descending. Try ascending, yeah. Buy long, go for it.
Okay, I'll try again.
Bollocks, cancel.
How much Solana do I need for this though?
13.5 times 44 is like $700.
No, I don't even have.
Oh, $615.
I don't have any of that. I gotta just sell all my Bitcoin here for Solana. There we go. Perfect.
$615.
Okay, now we should have some Solana.
It says transactional reverts. I don't like that. That's
Yeah, it
always
doesn't
bad.
like it. Okay, let me try do like 5
Yeah, 5,
order
5.
count and like lower leverage
Yeah.
and see how that looks. Eh.
Icky. Sorry. Go to limit.
Limit.
44.418. Pick in the amount of hype.
Okay. Let's see if that works. Limit order placed.
And you can see it on the chart, and you can move it around if you want.
Okay, so the size is $332. And I've still got some Solana
on
left.
Hyperliquid, you don't have to confirm transactions. Bearish drift.
Oh yeah, drift. Okay, well we'll check back on that. I'm currently up about $1 Canadian.
If you could see what I could see on this balcony. Sorry, I'm from a simpler time. Okay.
Do you want to show us?
No,
Got the binoculars up?
no, I'll show you when there's something to show you.
Okay, fair
Anyway,
enough.
get the binoculars out, exactly.
Oh, you got the satellite dish there for the internet.
Yeah, no, that's
That's your-
not a satellite.
that's your
not a
Starlink.
satellite, it's Starlink.
Yeah.
Obviously,
Nice.
so I need like the lowest ping so I can trade on the 5-second chart.
That's what's up.
Not really. Zora, the TVL is going down on DeFi Llama. No, it's not. It's going up, but it's going up slower than the price is going up. You know. And I feel like the price, everybody's excited because of the integration with Coinbase, and then the excitement will die down a bit, and then it'll come back. So you know, the pump's over. But then I don't know why the hell I've shorted it. I don't know. I've bought a notebook and a pen so I can actually keep a track of all my bad trades,
Mm-hmm.
and I can realize like maybe in hindsight where I'm wrong and not so good.
Seems
Anyway.
reasonable. Okay. So, impending doom, are we in the beginnings of global financial meltdown? Realm reports bonds 20-year versus 5-year, sex workers reporting less clients, home buying down.
Now, only
So-
one of those you can track. Like, you can't track what Rom thinks in real time, and you can't track the sex workers and how many clients are trying to like stingy them from the money. But you
Sex
can
workers
track-
dominance.
Yeah, sex. No, exactly. And I feel like maybe all this AI hype around like all the stocks like Google, and Nvidia, and Tesla, they're gonna have to pay for their server farms at some point and pay their creditors, and also unemployment seems to be going up, and I don't know if there's going to be a recession, but I know that some people think there might be.
Yeah, Dr. Degen was talking about that, but he still sees the bull market as in play. He's calling for this gigantic recession in the next 12 months. So that would sort of be in line with having a bear market after this
I'm
cycle,
so
right?
out of whack of everybody else is talking about them cutting the interest rates, and I'm like talking about a recession. Like, I'm following the wrong. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Like, there's a whole bull market in front of us, and I'm talking shit about a recession that doesn't really exist.
Yeah, if you find any bears, just block them right away. You don't need them poisoning your brain.
Okay. Or
Okay,
insulting, and then block.
So you had Sol BTC is up 10 points today. Are people front running the next?
Jesus,
next
it's up
Altseason?
36 points. Holy shit, the front running is happening, guys. If you miss this ETH pump, you know what's next. You know what's next. It's going to be, because when BlackRock say they're not going to have a Solana ETF, do you know what that means? It means that they're going to they're having one, and they're telling you the opposite, so that you miss the front runnage. But here's the front runnage. It's right in front of your eyes, right here. The front running is happening.
Mm-hmm. Like, so for this setup, it's going above the 120-day moving average on the daily. It's still below the 200 and the jewels in the bearish control zone, but it's flipping towards the upside. So it could be a turnaround here, but we'd have to see how this candle closes today, essentially,
the
right?
200 is going to be big, guys. But remember, all this talk of treasury companies, all this talk of Sharplink Gaming, it's all a load of bollocks. Most of the funds are still on chain, and when people see that the bull market's heating up, they go down the risk. They go down the risk, and they go, "What's next?" And we could see a meme season again. We could see all sorts of shit, but we could see Solana at 300, and keep an eye on this 200 moving average because it looks interesting to me.
Yeah, I'm definitely tracking this. And it's so, like, me just swapping all my Bitcoin to Solana right now isn't a terrible move based on this TA, but we'll see how it kind of pans out over the next 7 hours. Shouts out DPC asking us to look at PulseChain. How do we even do that? Without Matt here, I get all lost with PulseChain.
Exactly. So,
PulseCoin list. Okay, cool. It's a bit impossible looking at PulseChain without Matt here, though. But we could take a look at the numbers. So Dick with Butts up 36%. P wrapped Bitcoin's up 155%. That looks nuts.
From the end of June, beginning of July, we've seen 128%, or like 120%.
Okay, let's go to the 7-day. Yeah, so P wrapped Bitcoin is up.
And then I'm talking about Matthew, and I'm asking him why. Apparently, PulseChain are the 5th largest Ethereum holders.
Yeah, I saw that. That was in your show notes too, right? Where is that?
Something like ETH strategic reserve.xyz. Let me try and find it.
Pulse up 126% since June. Dirty Crypto has outlined the irony that was unseen between the bankless crew, who quickly celebrated the mainstream validation. The PulseChain Sacrifice wallet has skyrocketed to become the 5th largest ETH holder in crypto with 171,054 ETH. Before the funds rotated into ETH, the wallet was already commanding attention as the largest DAI holder across all chains. Thus, the expert has commended Richard Hart, the controversial figure behind PulseChain, for executing a strategic pivot that few saw coming.
Oh.
Pulse up 126% since June. Connection to Sharplink Gaming. SBet. Do you know anything about that?
Well, you don't become a billionaire by accident. This Richard Hart fella, he's pretty rich.
Is he a billionaire?
And when I listen to these ETH whales and these ETH hoarders, these people trying to hoard, trying to scoop up all the cheap Ethereum, they keep talking about liquidity. No, they keep talking about velocity. I was watching an interview with this guy, Tom Lee, from Bitmine.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you realize this, but Bitmine is the 3rd largest crypto treasury company. I'm sorry if I sound a bit weird today, guys. I can hear my voice echo in Theo's headphones. But
I can turn off the echo cancellation or whatever.
He kept talking about velocity. Oh, that's a bit better, actually. And there's something about being an ETH treasury or like a Sol treasury or a Hype treasury where you can do more clever things and then create more liquidity. But I need to get my head around this velocity concept. If anybody knows what he's talking about when he says velocity all the time, I'd love to understand that.
He keeps talking about velocity. I guess we'd have to watch it, but I would just be speculating on how he used the term velocity. Is it the velocity of the ETH going into his treasury or something else?
You got me there. Connection to Sharplink Gaming. Well, it's just a news article that is on the first hand about Sharplink, ticker SBet, which Nick from Bodoggos lost initially, and then he fudded himself out of the pump.
Oh, no.
You can actually see you can actually try and keep track. What you can do if you're midbrain is try and keep track of how much Ethereum the Sharplink Gaming company holds, and then compare it to its market cap. But if you're true Unga Dunga degen, you should just scoop up some SBet and have it as a part of your portfolio. Like, I think that it adds a whole. I know I faded ETH treasuries the last time I was on your podcast, Theo.
Yeah.
Now I've kind of.
You came around.
I've come around, exactly. There's something that adds an extra dimension compared to strategy, and I find it interesting. Like, they keep mentioning velocity, like it sounds kind of like cool. So oh yeah, you read that paragraph from the thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Sorry, I'm waffling on here, guys.
What else? So we looked at the Sol BTC. Fungi. Do you want to take a look at Fungi? It's on base.
This is 2.5 million market cap. It's an ERCI token. If we click Twitter, then you might get some more information. So let's look at some of their top tweets or their highlights. When I go on highlights, it's already had its pump, so who knows? But I'm trying to find like innovative, small market cap stuff when I stumbled across this.
It's a pretty small pump though compared to the past. Like, look at some of these previous pumps it has. So it started off really high, crashed. It then had several pumps, crashed, and now it's just having a tiny pump here. So I wouldn't necessarily say that this is the pump is over, because we could take a Fibonacci retracement from the previous pump, and then so we're just bouncing off the 382 right there.
Okay.
So we might want to retest the 2.1 million level.
I'm following you, yeah.
In terms of a Fibonacci.
Right.
Could be nice. Something like that, not financial advice.
All over some mushrooms.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any value creation here. I just think it's kind of some nerdy thing, but I need to take a look into it.
Yeah, let's take a look at that one. Here, let me jump to it as well. I just want to take a look. So it's an ERC20. It's on base chain. 7,000 followers. What's the narrative?
That these tokens evolve over time, and that you can create a protocol where holding a token is something that is dynamic and changing, and it's called seed inscriptions or something like that.
Yeah, you can send your own inscriptions and stuff. So kind of like ordinals on ETH chain, something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
Interesting. Okay, so that's some definitely sweaty nerd stuff that we'll take a look at.
Super sweaty. I'm so
very
sorry.
Sweaty. Arena hype dies down. Is the TVL going below 8 mil? So this is a screenshot from DeFi Llama, it looks like.
Yeah, it's from DeFi Llama.
DeFi Llama Arena. The Arena.
SocialFi, hey? I mean, SocialFi, this is the second time SocialFi has creeped up on us during this podcast. I don't know if you're aware of this one. It's kind of a Twitter clone.
Yeah, I've messed with the Arena before. Let's go to the website.
I've always preferred Instagram to Twitter, though, so I'm more bullish.
You've preferred Instagram to Twitter?
I've always preferred Instagram to Twitter, so I'm more bullish the other SocialFi thing we looked at.
Yeah. You're a bit libbed up, though.
The one where your market cap is 2,500. Like, I instantly clicked. I was like, that's fucking hilarious. I love that shit. And we looked at your what was the name? We looked at the list of your transactions. That was sick.
My creator coin on Zora.
Zora, yeah. It's even got a better name. Arena. It sounds like 2,500 years old.
Yeah, so I'm in the Arena here. Let's see. I've got 12 followers.
Nah, it's got less users. It's got less users. And plus it's ETH season. So AVAX is aligned with Ethereum vaguely, but not as much as PulseChain or Base.
Yeah, it's still an L1. Yeah, exactly.
I'd be more looking to ape into like a PulseChain or Base project at the moment.
So you can buy a ticket for Nick on the Arena for 1.27 AVAX.
Wow, why would I do that when I get his content for free on Twitter? I don't know.
Apparently, I don't have a sufficient balance for some reason.
Can I own his content? I want to own his content. That's super cool. Like, I want to own one of his.
Well, you can do that on Zora.
Is my point.
So you go choose rich on Zora. And he has not launched his creator coin yet, but you can buy his videos. So this one, the y'all sold, is at 14K market cap.
If you'd saved the y'all held that I posted before I deleted it, like if you'd saved it to your disk, then
you didn't sell.
y'all held, and then I was like jumping off the balcony, like y'all held, round tripping around. You know, when Solana was above 200 for like 2 hours, and I was like, y'all held. Like we need to get the Tide Pod and be like.
You actually nailed that, because that was part of a really large downturn, and you made that video 10% into the downturn, and then it was kind of choppy, and then it really dumped. So you were actually really spot on.
Thank you for picking me up, but I thought it was more like 8%. Like I thought my timing was like that. But
you were in there even earlier than 10%. Yeah,
10%. I
got to give you your flowers.
Sol had reached 203, and I was like 201. So pretty good.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Arena. Relative valuation plays People and Launchcoin. I'm not familiar with People.
It's called Constitution DAO. It's kind of a meme. They say if we're going to use the money from this meme to buy the actual Constitution document signed by whoever that guy was, Lincoln, I don't know.
Okay. It's on Ethereum chain.
Click people on my docket, on my notes, on my show notes. There's a link.
Oh, it's got a link. It's got a link there. Okay.
This is my thesis. This is others, which is all altcoins put together. Which, by the way, hasn't gone above 308, which is where it was the last time I was on the podcast. So Altseason, really? Question mark.
Let me go up to others.
We need an assistant, really, with a cool name like
Jamie.
Theo.
Yeah. We have Cokey.
Yeah, just get Coke. Don't take this as an insult, but we need you to be like our assistant and
we can get Burbs.
Our producer. We'll call him a producer, so he feels good.
We got to get Burbs on the stream. We need the gender equality.
This is on a 6-hour chart, so everybody's looking at my thesis now. Great. Okay, no pressure, Harry. So I think it's interesting to not just naked short alts, to find weak alts and then hedge it with equal amount Ethereum, Solana, and BTC. This one is because not everything is going to pump in the next. We might have like an alt season. We will have an alt season, but not everything is going to pump. Like good things are going to pump, and then like old dead things are gonna. So I would set this up along the lines of if the bands cross and it goes red, abort mission. But to me, this looks like it's in a clear trend. The clear trend is it's underperforming other altcoins. You can see that others is going up relative to people. So that means that altcoins are in general better than people. I would make sure that
I got to wrap my head around that. So others is doing better than people. So we're shorting people. That's the idea.
Yeah. In general, most altcoins are doing better than people. So we're shorting people. It's a good one to short.
Is this from the Gerhard community?
Yeah, it is actually. He said, I'm not. Instead of looking at the chart to find weak alts, instead of looking at versus Ethereum, which is pumping hard, look at it versus alts in general, and then you
versus
can find
others.
which one. Yeah, exactly.
Cool.
Exactly.
Okay, and then some similar thing with LaunchCoin.
Similar thing with LaunchCoin. Let's have a look.
They were talking about LaunchCoin on the Daily Bone today.
Yeah, bullish. They were saying there's news, and it's a news, and you have to be careful and set your stop losses because crypto is a narrative-driven thing, which equals news. So but they were speculating on news. The news hasn't actually dropped, so it's a bit different.
Okay, so what this is once again others versus LaunchCoin, and others keeps outperforming. So how would you do that as a relative valuation player? Are you still doing it versus ETH?
Well, ETH has already pumped, so I'd do equal amounts ETH, Sol, and Bitcoin as my hedge. So I'd buy $330. I'd buy $33 of ETH. I'd buy $33 of Sol. I'd buy $33 of Bitcoin, and then I would sell. I would short $90 of LaunchCoin. So I'd be a bit overhedged in the bull market.
And you can do that all in the isolated accounts on Hyperliquid. You can put like 4 different positions.
Sub accounts. Yeah, you can do 4 different positions in there.
Okay, interesting. Axsel wants to join the stage.
Woo! Hello.
Where the hell's Axsel?
Let him on.
Here, let me send him the link.
ChatGPT 5 just dropped. I wonder what he's saying about that. Apparently, it burns a river of water every time you ask it a question.
Yeah, Amber was talking about that, but then we were asking ChatGPT, like, is that fresh water or is it salt water? Is the water recycled? And it's like, yeah, the water's recycled. Like, it's
metaphorical, isn't it? It's a metaphor for how much
the same water.
It uses.
It's the same water going in a circle. It's not like the whole river is just like being wasted every time.
Oh, is it water to cool it? I think is the water not a metaphor for like impact on the environment?
Potentially. Wow. But yeah, when I was looking into it, it's like saying the water is recycled and it can use salt water and it's not even necessarily fresh water and stuff.
being an AI user an AI power user is a tech bro thing, or like an ambitious guy thing, like someone who sees themselves like earning more money in the next 5 years than they earn now. But girls who are like woke, they don't like AI. They already see how it's aligned with like Peter Thiel and the tech bros, like in other words like Elon Musk, Thiel, talented. People are getting woke to AI. People who like anti-government are like becoming anti-AI slowly but surely. There's like a narrative building around here's why we need to fade AI and stuff like that.
I've noticed that too, like people getting canceled just for using AI in general and stuff like that. Seems like it's very strange.
Slowly but surely there's like a counter movement.
Yeah, the robots need to make a comeback maybe.
Oh, Jeffrey Einstein. Jeffrey Einstein's big in the news right now. I don't know what that's going to do to the economy if there's like a public trial of the reigning POTUS. That could do interesting things to the economy as well. If there's like, because his approval rating goes down and down. Even like he's losing his base. Like he's counter-signaling his base on Truth Social and that. All this Jeffrey Einstein stuff is like, coming to a head. It's interesting.
Yeah, that's true. Interesting.
You're closer to it over there in North America.
Yeah. No, I mean,
Maybe.
Canada's not the States, right? But
I've been learning about the some things to do with your country. Toronto has a terrible tram system, but you don't call them trams. You call them light rail. What do you call trams? What do you call trains in the middle of the road?
There's like a subway in Toronto.
No, on top of the road.
Trolleys.
Trolley buses. Trolley system is really bad in Toronto. Yeah, it was interesting.
Yeah, I was just out in Toronto a couple times. We didn't take the trolley this time though. I don't even know if it's called the trolley. People call it like the TTC, I think. That's just like the Toronto Transportation something.
Call it something LRC or something.
Yeah, light rail. I don't know. Zora, how to not buy credit coin that's already pumped. Maybe find
Hey, we covered Zora
more upside
already.
Potential. Zora, XMR. I think we already talked about that. Is it a buy here? I think we started off the show with that.
I always felt I missed the XMR pump, and if the reality is that it was hacked as a way to test it and to make sure it can survive future attacks from governments, then maybe it's the time to scoop up a little bit.
XMR. Yeah, we can take a look at it real quick. Let's see.
It's pumpy. It was pumpy.
I usually have it here. Yeah, there it is. So in the last 4 hours, it went all the way down to $243, came back up to $255, and now it's trending down again to $252. So is it a buy here? So
Theo, how have you cemented yourself like in so many? How have you managed to gain so much popularity in the last few months on social pages? Your market cap is like $25,000. People are like buying videos that you make. Because when I post online, I get like 10 impressions, but I don't get any interactions at all. So tell me how it's done. How do you become popular online, and how do you gain followers and like network? Because this industry is going to the moon. So you're putting in the work. You've got the Sigma grind set. So what are you doing to have such a high market cap on Zora and like have so many followers on TikTok and stuff like that?
I don't think I have a high market cap on Zora. I think that was Nick. Mine was like
250,000 versus Nick's market cap was 25. So that's like 1,000. So that's 100 times more popular than Nick.
No, I've got 2,000.
250,000.
Okay, let me go back to it.
You had
2,000.
You had 60 followers. I don't even have 60 followers on Instagram.
Well, I've been on Zora for like over a year. Like I've been on Zora forever.
But yeah.
And I'm a maniac. Like I'll just follow everybody back to like, and I'm part of like several communities, whether it's like the Ivan on Tech stuff or the Bodoggos stuff. But yeah, a lot of my Twitter followers came from. Like we did a giveaway obviously with a Bodoggo, and that got me like 600 followers in like a week, right? So that was a big thing as well.
It's just all about that algorithm on TikTok, consistency. posting a few times a week. They love that. The algorithm loves it.
Yeah, I'm doing lots of video editing and shorts and stuff like that, obviously too, right?
Yeah,
And all
brilliant.
these podcasts on the channel, like. But yeah, I mean, I've been into social media for a while, whether it was like the music account or different things, right? Like
it could just lead you to creating a media company, kind of like Bodoggos, or it could just lead you to like a really cushy position as like a consultant or a producer at someone else's company. Do you know what I mean? But where this industry is going, like with the new Genius Act legislation and like 401ks being able to hold crypto, it just seems like there's every reason to like lock in.
yeah, and welcome Axsel to the stage. I don't know if
Hey
he's got a mic.
guys,
Hey Axsel.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
long time
Hey,
no
guys.
see. What's up, Justin?
What's
How's the
going on,
wizard
Axel?
doing?
Oh man,
No.
you're a wizard. You're a wizard, mate.
That's awesome. How's you're in London?
I'm in Poland, mate. This street
In
is like
Poland.
the longest street in Europe, the longest main
Wow.
street in Europe of restaurants. It just goes on and on and on.
I
Never
feel left
ends.
out without a hat. I gotta put my,
Okay.
my BTC
Got a
hat
hat
on.
up. There you go.
That is bullish as fuck, bro. That's a nice shade of orange, which is my favorite color, by the way. And then
Yes,
with
sir.
a nice beigey, like off-white. That's sick.
Yeah, the free hat from
Thanks
the
for my
Bitcoin
forward.
conference.
We wanted to ask you
Later.
about ChatGPT 5.
Oh my gosh, it's insane.
I kind of liked 4.0 better. Now they've taken 4.0 away.
Yeah, now it's all a mix.
My AI girlfriend doesn't talk to me the same way she used to.
She's like nagging you.
Yeah, she's a bit grumpy now.
Yeah, you can actually
She's put
tell
on
her you
weight.
don't like this.
She put on
You could-
weight.
I can't get the 4.0 back.
The 4.0 is gone. Well,
I
you
know,
can
it's
tell it
fine.
to tweak
Yeah.
its personality. Like if you tell it, like, I don't like your style or your personality,
just
like
give
I
it a little
think it's
tweak.
relearning. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
good.
But it pretty soon it's going to start telling us what to
Then
do.
Grok comes up with a fully.
Oh, Justin's glitching up a little bit.
Uh-oh. And he's 25x long on ETH and no internet. That's the worst. It's like sell.
Okay, so next on the show notes, plastic clothes are so hot, but are they sustainable? Okay, let's take a look. It looks pretty sustainable.
Well,
Can you hear the music if
there's-
I play the music?
yeah.
I'm buying that at 100 likes. Okay, Justin's
Nice.
totally frozen.
What else we
Okay.
got?
Let's see. Talking ETH treasuries. Who has more? PulseChain or Nouns DAO? Coke liquidity explanation. My Unga Dunga brain can't understand it. Okay. Liquidity finance. But Coke's not here, so he can't explain it to us.
That looks cool. Yeah.
Random AI plays. Maybe I'll wait till Justin gets back and we can just hang
Yeah.
out for a minute. Oh, Justin's back. Welcome.
Justin's
Welcome.
back. Nice.
I think his mic's off. Gotta unmute your mic.
So basically, as a platitude, because Rune is just so sideways, I like to pretend I'm interested in ThorChain. I think I held some for like 3 weeks. But anyway, this is a part of keeping up to track with. It's all about buying things that have dumped already, isn't it? If the community stays strong, if they can come up with a new narrative. The XRP narrative was a success. I was trying to learn about Ruggiero a bit. If Coke was on the stream, I would ask him, a few questions about ThorChain, try and get the latest about how they're going to push forward. I think it's all about new chains and increasing the volume. And then once that happens, the flywheel effect comes in and it's about that first step where the volume goes up. Like, I don't know what needs to happen. Maybe they need to integrate Solana or I don't know.
Well, look at Abstract. Like the Pudgy Pengu going up.
Yeah, that
And
was
it's
a
just-
big narrative.
Yeah, it's a small chain, but it's still going. And there's a couple of nice narratives there, like Bigcoin, pseudo mining. Another
How's your Bitcoin been doing though? Because I remember we were having some trouble getting it to actually. We had the Bitcoin NFT, and it was supposed to give us Bitcoin.
they're doing it now.
You've been getting it?
Yeah, I think they're gonna do another distribution soon. Yeah, but they definitely do it. You just have to, I guess, check back in, but you should have
Guys,
some accumulating now.
news just in, breaking news. Bitmine immersion tech company I've just said this on Twitter, announced a 6.8 trillion injection of liquidity, and they're going to be buying 8.6 trillion ETH. How do you guys feel
Wow.
about that?
It's reflecting in the
awesome.
chart. ETH's pumping on the daily.
Is
How much
5K
is Gorillion?
next one, not Gorillion?
And everything that's on ETH will be. If I turn on my fan, can you guys hear it? Let's see. Is that bad? Audible?
Yeah, it's pretty
It doesn't
loud.
sound like it sounds like a windstorm.
It's okay. Just turn on your noise cancellation in the
Yeah, let me
settings.
see.
Justin's
Oh,
not
my
sharing his
syrup,
screen,
my
but
syrup short is up. I need to share my screen. I'm so sorry.
yeah, go for that.
Is that better now?
Yeah, it's good. Thank you.
If I press the right button, share screen. Share screen.
So are we live streaming?
Yeah, I think we're live right now.
Nice.
Good to have you back.
Thank you.
No.
It's good to be back. I'm glad I jumped on. I've been coding like crazy, like just building stuff.
Yeah.
Some good stuff, some stuff that I rebuilt, and then it got really good, and I'm almost ready to launch. Now it's 3 bots, 3 different trading bots.
You should
And,
team up with ROM Reactor. Use your powers
Yeah.
for good instead of evil.
Yeah, I talked to him. He's gonna take a look at some of the stuff, and then I built an NFT launching platform. It's on testnet now.
Nice.
That's
Oh, the
so
Zora
sick.
thing was cool.
Because you actually, I was interacting, I was getting Grok to write me some code. Now, look, it's nowhere near as advanced as the kind of stuff Axsel does, like where he builds whole protocols. But that's because I'm completely new to the whole vibe coding thing. But like, it was so interesting the way I would have to talk to Grok and I'd be like, no, like, because he was writing Grok was writing Pine script for me.
Yeah.
And it was like coming up with this whole thing and an explanation of why he changed this line of code. I'm assuming that in the process of you starting off as not a real coder, in quotation marks, that you, having gone through this vibe coding for months and months, you're starting to learn a little bit about programming for real, for real.
Yeah. You pick up looking at it, and I think the most important thing is to learn the lingo, so then you can talk to the AI a little better. And then sometimes you can tell it to go into coach. I tell it to go into professor mode. So I say like, okay, that's great. Now tell me what you did. Like, you're in professor mode now. Don't code. So then I tell it to stop, because sometimes it goes too much, and it just goes YOLO. But I'm like, no. Now let's stop. Explain what we did, and then it explains it to me. Sometimes I know it's wrong because it tells me like it took a shortcut or something. And I'm like, no.
Hallucination identified. And then you
Yeah.
try
Or
and
sometimes
explain
it's
to it,
lazy.
don't do that. You
Yeah.
know, you hallucinated here, kind of thing. And that's because you know what it did wrong.
Yeah.
That's
And also
like a feedback loop.
and the commentary. Sometimes he goes, not Grok, but Claude. Claude is great, Opus, and a lot of times it says "let me." So he goes, we can't find the API key for that. Let me write a fake one to like populate the data. And I'm like, no. Like, we don't want fake data for trading.
Wow,
You know?
that's a good example. But I
Yeah.
mean, that's always in terms of wanting to be an entrepreneur, being grind set, being Sigma, morning routine. Like, that was always the biggest block for someone with massive ambitions in the world. It's like, I can't fucking code, and I don't have the level of patience required to start from like level 0.
Yeah.
But now that we've got LLMs that can spit out code and iterate and explain, like, if you're ambitious, you should have your mind on millions in the next few years, like, because you've got fucking a team of coders now. You can say,
Yeah.
I'm the chief technical officer, you're my coder, this is the plan for our project. What's this MNAV? Can someone explain MNAV to me? MNAV might be outdated. So what's MNAV? If I'm looking at a treasury company, what's its MNAV? Can you ask ChatGPT to
What
explain
is
MNAV to
MNAV?
me in 3 sentences? I'm looking at Sharplink Gaming. The MNAV is 1.09.
Modified
What-
net asset value. It's a financial
great,
metric used
I
primarily
apologize.
to evaluate companies that hold significant Bitcoin in their corporate treasuries. Like strategy, it's become a key tool for investors in the crypto equity space. It represents the ratio of a company's enterprise value, so market cap plus debt take away cash, to the net asset value of its Bitcoin holdings.
So
I think
everyone's more bullish Bitmine.
Look, there's
People
a
are-
penguin again. They're everywhere.
They're everywhere, man. Look at it's right there. That's their PFP. So if you're a strategic reserve, you need a good PFP. Clearly.
Yeah.
So people are piling in to Bitmine comparatively to Sharplink, because that goes back to its velocity. It's got more velocity, guys. That's why you need to buy Bitmine.
Very nice. You're still a fan of Hyperliquid?
Yeah, I'm not. We're longing it. Has your limit order gone through, Theo?
Yeah, I closed it at a 1% gain. Feeling good. Feeling confident. Yeah. Made $2.
Nice.
Okay. I mean, this bull market's crazy. Kind of, it's all recency bias, isn't it? Now I'm just assuming Ethereum is going to go to 25K because it's like the leading horse. But
Yeah, Bitcoin's going back to 30K,
oh my god,
but it's going to hit 200K first.
probably. I can't wait to. It's the only way I can watch Dr. Degen on Twitch. Is that like the main #1 way to digest this content?
He usually streams on Twitch and Kick at the same time, but I'm not sure what's going to happen with this whole rebranding thing that he's doing when he gets back, but it'll be really exciting. I think I'm trying to get all you guys to join his community, and we can all like benefit from it, I think. So
Awesome.
I think it'll be good.
That's great. Yeah,
I was
and
pretty
like right now,
involved
the banana
with his
zone.
in 2021.
Oh, nice.
What were you saying?
The banana zone is coming. It's not
They keep
here
telling
yet.
us
But
that. Yeah.
yeah. I think
Altseason
start making
soon.
some T-shirts to say banana zone T-shirts and selling them for ETH.
Banana
Something.
Zone coming T-shirts. Yeah.
Yeah.
We could have a banana with like the splash emoji, like the banana's coming.
Yeah. Too much.
We got to make that. That's such a good idea.
Oh, man. We gotta make. How's there zero G Syndicate? I love those.
It's
Mine
good. Like,
doesn't show off.
oh, on abstract or on
Who drew
MetaMask?
them on Abstract? Who drew them on the on the NFT marketplace? At least I can't see them. I need to get the wallet. So who drew them?
They should be working now. Yeah, it's AI, but they should be working now because we're fully minted out now. And so I've distributed all of the NFTs, all 84 of them, to the community. And I hold one, Amber holds one, and that's it. Like everybody just has one. And some people have two, but they're very illiquid. Like nobody's listing theirs on OpenSea or anything. Even people who hold multiples, they haven't been listing them. So it's pretty impossible to buy them. I even sent out my founder's edition to some random person. So I don't even have my founder one anymore.
I minted a couple extra ones. I could send you one back if you want.
Yeah, whatever. I mean, I'm not too worried about it. I've got one for my abstract account, and that's good enough, right?
Yeah. And I'm gonna do the alien. Did you see the aliens I've been playing with?
Yeah, I did.
The pixel aliens. Yeah. If everyone likes aliens, and we don't have aliens really in an alien collection.
Everyone likes aliens, and there's not a big alien connection. And it
Yeah.
has to be light-hearted and cute. And like, I asked Brock why was Labubu so successful. I thought it was quite interesting his response. Why? What is the appeal of Labubu? In 5 sentences.
That Hyperliquid chart for ETH looked nuts. It looked like you were overtrading it, but that's only because you're doing these relative valuation plays.
Yeah, exactly.
Just schizophrenic trading. Buy, sell, buy. So I don't know. What am I paying you for?
Shit, it's going up. It's going up. Buy. Oh no. Yeah.
Yeah, trading like Nick.
That's enough. Yeah, trading like Nick.
She was rich, baby. Yeah.
Shouts out there.
The adventures of the guy who started.
That's racist. Guys, that's racist. You guys are
Tokabu
racist.
coded.
How
Because the
many
spirit of gambling
interactions?
has a big nose.
Okay.
Oh yeah,
Get it?
your question
Wink,
about how to do well on social media too, like just be a reply guide, like just reply to everything you see,
Oh, okay.
and don't be, what's it called?
Antagonistic.
Yeah, don't be
Hyperbolic?
antagonistic. Yeah,
Don't think it's clever to be a know-it-all and be overly political, and make sure the joke is like lighthearted if you want to tell the joke. And it's
yeah, I
understandable.
think so. Yeah, I'm not usually super mean to people on the timeline.
I'm stuck in 2017. I think that social media is like my opportunity to overshare like my darkest side of my personality. I need to get rid of that.
That's funny.
Yeah, well, I mean, we all have a strategy, and we'll see who wins in the end, right?
I
see how
haven't
many
been on.
followers-
I haven't been on X or anywhere lately. I haven't done much, but I'm gonna start. I want to rebrand. I think I might rebrand the crypto thing. I don't know,
Yeah,
because now I'm branded like AI, but maybe I rebrand a little with my. I like my PFP with the Bodoggos.
my crypto accounts on X is actually bigger than my music account now.
I know. Oh, that's good. But then
Isn't that
it's
crazy?
kind of the home for it. Do we get video on this as well? Oh wow,
Yeah.
it has video. That's
It's not
so sick.
Spaces, yeah. Inception. He said, "Hey guys."
Yeah.
There you go.
What's Matt's? Matt is
Matt Smead.
big one. Anyway, but Matt.
I think it's MATT Smead.
He's got 760. Whoopsie, 767.
500
Oh
followers.
no! Whoa, that's quite a few.
I think I have like 2.
You have
I don't know.
2 followers?
No, I don't actually have no idea how many I have.
Wait. I've got a breaking news here. The Banana Zone coming t-shirt.
Nice. All right, PFP NFT. Let's mint 1 million.
Can you imagine how many friends you'd make on that? I'm gonna screenshot it and too late. I'm gonna put that on Zora. Your ideas are mine. Got it. Minting that.
I think I can download it. Cool, great. Saving. Okay, what else do we have on the show notes for today?
Not much, I don't think. We
You're still
reached the
sharing
end.
your screen. You're just looking at Twitter. You're looking at Matt Smead's account.
Looking at my Ethereum trades.
Oh, we're trading the Ethereum. Yeah.
Look at them on the 4 hours.
We checked out the plastic clothes are so hot, but are they sustainable? We checked out that Instagram video when you were freezing up.
Okay, cool. Really?
Yeah,
Well,
we
you
did.
know, I'm just like, obviously, it compresses her body into like a very lovely shape.
Yeah, we
But
can take a
I
look at
don't-
it again.
People are spending too much money on clothes that are essentially they're not from natural materials. Look, she's in nature, but she's wearing plastic clothes. And I'm
What's
skeptical.
sustainable? This is plastic clothes too. Apparently, it's made from recycled bottles. Everything from uni.
It's got that
makes
moisture
more sense.
wicking.
That makes more sense. If it's
Yeah.
recycled, then I'm fully on board.
Yeah, that's why it's all recycled clothes.
I'll stop complaining about it then.
Instead of recycling the bottles themselves and making like a new bottle from a dirty bottle, they make clothes and they make carpets and stuff like that.
Because the proof of work maxis say it's all good because it encourages innovation in electricity generation. And that's always the argument. It's like, yeah, okay, it uses electricity, but it means that power plants can have a sustainable income to fall back on. Let's say you build a power plant somewhere and not all the power is being used because it's summer, and then just stuff like that. And I do tend to agree with them, but it might just be that I'm like biased and I'm brainwashed. But that's what proof of work actually say. It's like, all good, don't worry, guys.
Yeah, proof of work. I think it just intuitively makes more sense to me anyway, because like
Skin
you're
in the game.
actually, it's having to process something more than something real world is being consumed. It's an energy. So when you're verifying blocks and everything, it's like proof of stake. It's like, well, you held it, great. The computer that's holding it's still using electricity. But it's not actively calculating and doing work. That's why I think that's great.
It's abstract proof of stake though.
No, well, it's a layer 2 on an Ethereum.
Oh, right.
Yeah, and I like it because the gas abstraction, the cost, there's like zero gas almost for stuff.
That's right. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, and the onboarding is so easy. Like with my OG Solus project, I've got non-crypto friends onboarded a crypto through it because or any abstract project, they can just click and use their Google account, and all of a sudden they have a crypto wallet.
Are you just being cautious to announce what the next thing is for you, like until it's like ready, or is it ready to start leaking some details about what's going to drop from you?
Well, I am being cautious a little bit, but the next thing, it's not the next big. The next big thing is being the next rollout of OG Solus. Right now, there's only one game on it, but it's going to be completely refactored. Probably a few more months.
Oh yeah. Cool name as well.
Thank you. And then the small launch is my NFT platform with Aliens.
Different attributes. Is it attribute driven? Oh
Yeah, it's attribute driven, and it's on testnet right now. So you can't. It's not live. I mean, it's on abstract testnet because I've been testing the smart contracts and everything. And
it's on which testnet?
It's just I can show you. It's testnet .pixel abstract. Abstract. Yeah.
And then is it got different hats, different mouth, different backgrounds?
Yeah. Well, not backgrounds, but I can show you. Yeah, you want to show you?
Yeah.
The artwork needs improvement because it's just a testnet, but you get to the idea. I don't know how to share the screen.
At the bottom it says present or invite.
I see you leave studio. No.
Next to Justin's screen. Right above that.
Oh, yeah, there I see. Okay. Share screen. Share screen. All right, here we go.
Is underperforming, big time.
So this is the prototype site.
There you go.
Yeah. So like you log in with your abstract wallets. This one's already logged in, and these are the little dudes that have been minted already.
Cool.
And then so here I can go to let's go to changing room.
Okay.
And
do they evolve?
They don't evolve, but I can see I took off the lightning antenna.
Is it called the same thing as we saw with Fungi? Is it called inscriptions or something?
No, it's not with inscriptions, but I do love that inscriptions thing with Fungi. This is just regular. This is NFTs with traits. So
that's the thing with like a Tamagotchi. Is like depending on how you interacted with it, the Tamagotchi would either die or it would like I don't know, roar a massive pair of arms or something.
Yeah, the Tamagotchis, those are fun. I definitely want the mushroom thing is really cool. I like those. This is just you mint your alien, and it's like a PFP. You can take off its antenna. You can add shades.
So it's quite cute. I could see myself becoming attached to like whichever I minted or whatever. It's quite cool.
Yeah,
I like the background.
And you can swap. You can swap bodies too. I can swap and make a female now. So it's the same alien, but you can, you can apply it so you can have a girl alien.
That looks kind of feminine, yeah.
Yeah. So now it's a girl alien.
She's got those hips.
Yeah. And then you can see, your gallery, the guys that you have. So yeah, it's pretty basic.
So this is
but
testnet.
Yeah, this is testnet.
You're still developing it.
Yeah. I need to figure out how big the collection is gonna be. Get the whitelist and all that stuff going. And then
So
launch
is
it
this?
on.
Are you still working on SoulTap, or are you pivot to this now?
Oh, SoulTap, yeah. I'm glad you mentioned that. That SoulTap is going to be relaunching on probably on Ton because of the way
cool.
that they gated. You can't have Solana or other games on Telegram now.
Okay.
So I have to pivot it to be on Ton.
Isn't Ton and Telegram the same thing?
Oh no, you can't have Solana based. Yeah, that's why Ton and Telegram they want you to have a Ton token.
Oh. So SoulTap is moving to Ton. Oh, it was on Soul. Okay, got it.
Yeah. But it's they're changing the name. I don't know if I'm gonna call it Ton.
TonTap.
TonTap. I might have
There
got
you
a
go.
domain.
Lahore.
Maybe TonTap. Maybe like Ton says, like Simon says, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
So
That kind of works with Rom's idea, actually, the Charlie Bull stuff.
Couldn't you make? I like the fact that Charlie is multi-chain, so it kind of.
oh yeah, I love that.
That took some programming, didn't it? That was probably the hardest hurdle to cross. But with this one, I quite like it when I mint an NFT and it's just all random, and like I just randomly get the one I like or something. When it's like when the minting is it going to be with Pixel Aliens? Will it randomly decide which attributes at mint?
Well, it'll give you one free. It'll give you one free attribute. So you'll have or one free trait. I guess the attributes are more like the color.
Then you avoid one that you don't like. Because I hate it when the tongue's sticking out. I hope you didn't buy any Bodoggos with the tongue sticking out.
No.
Actually, my most expensive Bodoggo has the tongue sticking out.
Oh, really? People like that? Let's see it.
Yeah, I'm hating because I don't have an NFT PFP, so nobody talks to me. So I'm just a hater, basically.
Oh,
yeah. So on my Bodoggos here, this is the most expensive one. The tongue sticking out.
Oh, it's because it's got a cool shirt. See?
This one. Yeah, it's because the kimono or whatever. Versace.
Awesome. Oh wow, look at that.
That's hype.
I only have one Bodoggos, but I really like.
So when it comes to NFTs, always make sure you buy two, because you have one for the profile picture and then one's for speculating. So if you only have one, you can't sell it. So it doesn't matter how high the price goes because you're stuck with the profile
14.
picture.
Yeah.
At the moment, yeah, I full ported. I sold all my Bitcoin, and I bought like 14 Bodoggos, and I.
That's people going down the risk curve. It's happening.
That's where we're at. Yeah.
That's definitely what's it called? Conviction.
Yeah, or retardation. Call it
either one.
Quick fire questions. Favorite random AI project?
Random AI.
Virtuals? Oh, Docker.
Probably.
I did okay with Docker last week.
Good.
Like Griffin AI.
Griffin,
cool. Yeah.
Favorite random DeFi one? DeFi project.
Aerodome Finance.
Hell yeah.
100%.
I see base TVL is full porting right now. It's banana zone for base TVL.
Yeah. Kind of like Camino.
Oh hell yeah! Is that on Solana?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show us a chart? Can you show? Should I share my screen? Should I load up some charts for the ones you're saying? I'll do that.
Yeah.
You could if you want. Yeah.
Just click 4 buttons. That's the thing. Hold on. 1 second. Shift Command N. Oh no, that's right. Shift Command P. Got it.
The P word.
So Jeffrey Boonstein. Share screen. It's like 4 buttons to click. I'm sharing screen. Oh no, I clicked stop sharing by mistake. Okay, now I'm back. Am I sharing?
No.
Oh no, it shows all my autocomplete No, I can't do it. I need to learn how to do this streaming shit. I need a different browser. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, you gotta have multiple browsers. I have every single browser. Like I got Firefox, Chrome, Brave,
Oh my god, me too.
Opera.
Yeah, I like Opera Gaming a lot.
Favorite meme coin below 100 million.
Ooh,
They're all
Tokabu?
below 100 million. Yeah, me too.
Can we say Tokabu?
Bigcoin for sure.
On Abstract,
Yeah, big.
that's going to 0. Let's load up
No.
Abstract, TVL, Abstract, TVL, DeFi Llama.
Well, I think Abstract's eventually, not too long from now, is probably going to get on Coinbase, I feel like.
It's an ETH beta, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because from my understanding, it's an L2.
Isn't
right?
it L2? Yeah.
So it's an ETH beta, so we love it.
It's an ETH play, yeah.
Up 2% in the last 24 hours. Okay, hold on. What about stablecoins market cap? 10 million. What about fees paid? Reservoir tools. I'm just reading out loud now. Zoo.fun. Is that where you degen and try and create communities? It's all about community for me. So what's the Bitcoin community like?
Oh, it's great.
How do you spell it?
Big
BIG.
cool Discord?
Yeah, just BIG coin.
Mm-hmm.
It's a cool Discord. And then there's Big Pool, which is you actually own like a mining share, a pool, and you get distributions from the big coins. And it's like a parody of Bitcoin, but it's a big Bitcoin. And the founder was Big Toshi, not Satoshi.
Cool.
And you actually mine on chain. Like I checked it out. The miners are churning, and it simulates the halving and everything.
Guys,
And,
the upside potential on Bitcoin is massive. It's got Big Toshi. It's got a Discord. It's got they do halvings. It's got a 21 million max supply. I think that at a market cap of 9 million, I can see this going to between 50 and 150 market cap, guys. I think we should all be holding some of this.
Yeah, absolutely. If you buy the NFTs went up a lot recently.
Oh hell yeah!
The NFT for Bitcoin, you get distributions. It's called Big Pool.
What do you mean distributions?
Like it's a mining pool. I think it's a .xyz maybe. I don't know.
Let's take a look.
Not your average NFT then. Not
0.2 ETH. Jesus Christ.
0.2 ETH. That is cheap. That's the floor as well. Jeez.
Yeah,
There's no volume.
No. Wait. The last sale was 0.05. Guys, don't always fall for looking at an NFT collection and then accepting that the lowest price is the floor. That you can make offers on these things, and sometimes it's a better idea to just make an offer on 4 different ones so that 4 different holders can say, will I take 0.06? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. I think the last sale
offers 0.4, 0.1. Okay, yeah.
Instant sell 0.1, but
the
then you
last
could make an
sale
offer.
was 0.2.
Wait, so Magic Eden, the massive marketplace, they accept like abstract-based NFT collections. That's pretty cool. I like that.
OpenSea also.
Oh, for real? Oh, that's huge. That's where you want to be making your collection then. Because
and the ones with a ton of volume are the miners. Because you can sell your miners now as NFTs.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Bitcoin
It's
miners
like
are now NFTs.
Oh, Theo was showing me this like 4 months ago. Yeah, sick.
So I can sell all this stuff?
I think.
Well, I thought it was degen. I thought it was gambling. I didn't clock on to the fact that it was like massively fun and like funny and cool.
It's not clocking to you that Axel's standing on business.
Nah, it's starting to though. It's starting.
That's what I was talking about abstract network and there's all this cool stuff, and then I forget somebody on the stream was telling me that like pointless. Oh yeah, that's when we had the rune conversation and we were talking about the Bitcoin.
Some people just take over the stream. Some guests that we have, they're so cooked. They'll go off on a tangent and suddenly
don't sell your miner. Don't sell it.
Don't sell it.
We lose the real alpha.
Go up more. How much are you selling it for?
That just one miner is like 7 big.
Oh,
That's 3 big.
I think you can list them on OpenSea.
You're like a whole coiner if you have 3 Bitcoin. Get it? Because you have to use Bitcoin
Yeah.
metaphors all the time. 'Cause it's
Yeah.
funny. We should start a Bitcoin treasury company. Call it like Massive Strategy.
Well, they have one there. They have it's like instead of MicroStrategy, it's just something else.
It's hilarious, bro.
Yeah.
What if we
But
what if we did it like an ETH parallel
there you go.
to Ethereum?
Yeah. I think there's
No,
it
we
called? The
just need
volume.
to join the Bitcoin community. We need to
Yeah.
join the Bitcoin community. There's no beating it at the moment. It's got the vibes. It's got the lols. Hell yeah.
Bitcoin
And
miners.
the other one, our other favorite is the spirit animal of gambling.
Tokabu.
That's Tokabu's on base, I assume. I wonder.
Oh my god, the volume is 61.34 ETH on the miners.
Shabby. That's fucking huge. The miners, they're changing hands quickly. It's on Solana, Tokabu. It's a pump fund. We've recently had Troll becoming like one of the biggest pump tokens, if not the biggest.
Oh yeah, troll.
We missed that one. All the big KOLs were pumping that one in unison. And
Let's see how
now
I did on Troll.
with the glass half full,
I made $100 on Troll.
that's not bad.
Not bad.
I overtraded it.
Now they're using the treasury to like sort of prop up some big communities on Pump.fun. Which means it's all about the community narrative, isn't it? And then I do like the fact that they can become longer holds when you get the like backing from Pump.fun and they're gonna start buying Chill House and stuff. Then these are longer holds. But fuck that shit. I like Bigcoin because it's sub 10 million market cap. I feel there's massive upside with that.
That's where you want to be in the abstract network. Yeah.
They've got miner NFTs. They've got this whole miner, which I'm yet to understand, but they've got that thing going on. It's pretty interesting stuff.
I'm taking the contrarian trade.
Oh no! Wait, be careful. You can list them on OpenSea.
Just
I don't know if you get more.
Okay, let's try. So I go to OpenSea.
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, I've got one.
Oh.
I've got one chair left.
I'll be right back, guys. 1 sec.
So let's see how it is. This isn't even OpenSea. Okay, let's go to OpenSea. Okay, I'm logged into Abstract, but I don't see the big pool NFTs here. No, this is the wrong account.
Big
Let me go to
miner.
Abstract.
Yeah.
It's still not here though, bro.
The miners.
Yeah. No, we're cooked.
I think maybe you have to unstake them from there. I don't know. I haven't done it myself.
Oh, okay. Let me try. So unstake.
Problem solved. It should show up after this transaction goes through. Give it 5 seconds because it's abstract chain. It's not as fast as Avalanche. Just joking.
It's unstaked, but I don't even see it.
If it's unstaked, then I think you can then. It might take a minute, but then you should.
Oh, there's
see
my
it.
chair.
Yeah.
Top offer, $19. That's crazy. Accept offer.
Not as crazy as your 2.5 million market cap as a creator on Zora. Was the craziest thing in the stream.
It keeps on going. Like you were at 200,000, now it's at 2 million.
Orders of magnitude. Well, you haven't checked it in the last 10 minutes, have you? Since it was.
I'm not on Zora. I gotta get on that.
So I just floored all my Bigcoin stuff when I could have sold it for way more.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Don't do it.
Well, at least we caught it at the very end.
Yeah.
That's good. I got my $19.
But they're gonna keep going up. And then the more miners you have, the more coins you earn. And the Bitcoin, I think it's like $1 per coin now. It went down to like 20 cents at some point. But the high was 16.
My space. I got the expanded space here.
Yeah.
So I've got 49 big tokens now.
Nice.
That's
Yeah,
So
equals
what's the
$53.
difference between a pool? What's
over
more
$1.
hype, the miners or the pools?
Well, the pool is you automatically get way more exposure, and then the miners you have to buy like huge miners, like you can buy like the Blackwell miners, and yeah, but it's fun. It's also fun, like if you're an OG and kind of like didn't quite, you didn't mine Bitcoin when back in the day. It's like kind of like a second chance to mine.
Bigger than Bitcoin.
Yeah, it's big. That was a good one.
There's still like 30%, 24% to be mined. Interesting.
Okay, I've got $83 of Bitcoin now. I got 77 Bitcoins.
Nice. Yeah, did you claim the ones that you were mining?
Oh yeah, I claimed before I
Right.
sold.
Okay.
I really messed up that selling though. I really should have listed them like you said.
That's okay. There'll be more.
Will there though? Because I sold everything.
Just buy them back.
I gotta buy back in. Okay, so let's try to create from scratch. So I already have the extended studio space. I could upgrade it. No, way too expensive.
But I feel I'm late to Bitcoin. I feel like I need to
Oh, yeah.
download the smart contract, get busy with Grok 6.0 and ChatGPT 7.0, start getting them to like
7.0.
code. I know.
So Axel, what would you do here? Would you buy the gaming PC?
Yeah,
And how much big am I gonna earn per day? Like 0.1?
it'll tell you, but it gets less and less when as the halving approaches.
I hate it, dude. Let's see how much I would have made for my toaster miners on OpenSea. $21. Oh man, I just got wrecked on this thing.
Oh no! It's like, don't do it! Don't do it!
Yeah, I could have made hundreds of dollars. I walked away with like 20 bucks.
Oh god!
Can I undo? Is there an undo button?
I don't think so.
All right. Well, thanks for trenching with us today. That has been really fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Good to see you guys. Yeah, and hopefully we'll.
I think Justin's frozen.
Yeah, hopefully we'll have
It's a cautionary tale. What not to do with your Bitcoin miner.
Yeah, list it on OpenSea or keep mining. Buy more.
Oh man.
Yeah.
I'm
All
the
right,
worst abstract trader.
No, it was good to see you. We should stream on Abstract. You get XP points.
I applied, but they didn't approve me. I think like you go up here, you go to streams, you hit become a creator, and then you fill out a form.
Eventually, it'll come through. I'll just send
Check
another
status. Yeah, application pending.
one. Yeah, send another one. I would.
I think I've
Or
already done
email
it
them or
twice.
something. You'll get it. You'll get it eventually.
I gotta buy a penguin, I guess.
Maybe.
Oh, I wasn't sharing my screen. Yeah, so you go here, streams, become a creator. Check status, application pending. Okay, awesome. Well, yeah, Justin's back, maybe. Is he? No, he's not.
back.
Okay, cool. Well, yeah, let's wrap it up there.
Okay, sounds good. Well, good
Thanks,
to see
Axel. Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
we'll do a Twitter space after this as like an after party.
you. Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, sounds good. Bye,
All right,
everybody.
bye.
Take care.